Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Achieving Alpha, and in this video we are going to discuss about another advanced option strategy which you can use as a safe weekly expiry strategy to generate some weekly income. And in this strategy the weekly range is going to be around 600 points for Nifty, and the weekly range for Bank Nifty is going to be around 1500 points, which I think is quite sufficient for most scenarios. So let's discuss about the strategy. So we'll be simulating the strategy on Opstra, but before that, let's discuss some of the points about this strategy and then we can jump on to Opstra. So the strategy is essentially a chicken iron condor with a calendar hedge. Now, for those of you who are new, these terms might sound gibberish to you, and we'll break it up piece by piece and try to understand what does each one of these mean. So chicken iron condor is basically one of the variants of the normal iron condor and some adjustments. And calendar hedge is something that we'll talk about. Most of you might be knowing this if you have seen my double diagonal option strategy. And iron condor has a lot of variants. So you have a chicken iron condor, you have a big boy iron condor, you have a skewed iron condor, and a lot more variants too. So why we'll be using it, we'll see that soon. But you should note that this strategy has a high theta, so that's really good for you as an option seller. The strategy has a high Vega or a positive or a long Vega, so this will support volatile markets. So that's really beneficial for us. And this strategy has a low delta. So whenever we are trying to create any option selling strategy, we should try to keep the delta as low as possible. So we'll see how this is beneficial for us. And as mentioned, in Nifty, you can get a weekly range of 500 to 600 points pretty easily. And for Bank Nifty, the same is 1500 to 2000 points. And you should note that your profits will increase with an increase in the implied volatility or India VIX. And same goes when the India VIX will decrease, your profits will also decrease. So you should keep this in mind. Also, you should try to create this particular strategy when the volatility is particularly low and you're expecting some event to come that may increase the VIX or the implied volatility so that you can get the most out of this. And talking about the expected returns, you can easily expect a 4 to 5% weekly return if the index stays within our desired range, which we'll see soon. And needless to say, this is one of the strategies which has a really high probability of profit. So without further ado, let's jump to Opstra and try to simulate this. So here I have opened Opstra, and before that, let me just show you VIX. So VIX is really high and it rose about 8.8.5% today. So you can see that it's about 22. So this demonstrates the kind of volatility in the markets as of now. So let's jump to the strategy. So before I directly give you this strategy, let's first try to recap, and let's first just start with a normal iron condor just to refresh our basics. So in a normal iron condor, let's say we sell a call option of 14600, we usually hedge it with 14700, and downside let's sell 14400 PE and we hedge it with 14300. Most of you know this. This is the normal iron condor. This is the max profit, max loss, and the probability of profit, and this particular range. Now, talking about the Greeks, you can see that the Vega is negative, so this will not support volatile markets. The theta is okay, but not that great, and the delta is also okay. Now, let's try to create a calendar hedge or a double diagonal. Now, I'm sure that most of you might be aware of this too, but let's just do it before talking about the main strategy. So the only difference here would be that instead of hedging it with the current expiry, we'll hedge this with the next expiry, and same on the put side. So we'll first sell a put of the current expiry and then we'll hedge it with the next expiry. This is how a double diagonal spread looks. So again, I've created a detailed video on this so you can have a look. And now let's talk about a chicken iron condor. So chicken iron condor is nothing fancy, but what you will do is that if Nifty spot is, let's say, at 14,500, so the at the money is 14,500. So what you can do is you can sell one lot 14,600 of the current expiry. You can sell another lot of 14,650 of the current expiry, and then you can hedge it with two lots of 14,700. Similarly, on the downside, let's say I am selling 14,300, one lot. I am also selling, let's say, 14,250, and then let's say I'm hedging these two with 14200 PE and with two lots. So this is a chicken iron condor, and you can see that this is the probability of profit. These are the break even points, and this is the max profit and max loss. And now the only thing that we are going to do is we are going to do this hedging with the next expiry. So you can see the Greeks. Delta is little bit okay. Now theta is where you will see the maximum benefit that we'll be getting when we do this. And Vega is again negative. So if at all the markets become volatile, this strategy will fail us. So just pay attention to these Greeks and just see the changes that we'll be having in Greeks once we do this. So I'm simply going to change this to 21st of Jan, and I'm simply going to change this to 21st of Jan. And you can see we almost got a really great hike in theta, and you can also look at Vega, and also delta is more close to zero now. So this is the kind of strategy that we should be looking at. You can see that theta has rose, Vega has rose, and delta is also much closer to zero now. And you can see this is the payoff graph. You can see the range is almost about 550 to 600 points, and this is the kind of max profit that we can expect. And even if Nifty stays here, so you'll still make roughly around 5k in this middle range, and that will be about 4.5 to 5% of your capital. And I think these kind of returns in a week is really great, and you should appreciate this. And again, as I mentioned, if volatility increases, your profits will increase, but if volatility decreases, your profits will also decrease. So this is a great strategy, and you can see the probability of profit is around 69%, which is really great. This range is also okay if we are considering weekly. So I think this is a great strategy, and let me also show that you can do this for Bank Nifty as well. So for Bank Nifty, let's say that we are selling 32,400, 32,400 call option, and again we sell 32,500 call option, and we hedge it with 32,600 with the next expiry and two lots of course. On the downside, what we can do is that okay, let me see, we can hedge with 31,800. So we can sell one lot of 31,800 put, we can sell another lot of 31,700 put, and we can hedge it with 31,600, two lots and in the next expiry. So this is what we have. Now you can look at the probability of profit. It is again great. And the margin required is around 87k or 88k. Consider it 1k or do check it with the margin calculator of your respective broker. And now you should look at this maximum profit, or even if Bank Nifty stays here, and the range, of course, the range is close to about 1500 points, which is really great. And just look at that. If at all Bank Nifty stays between this and this, you are going to make 11k, which is more than 12% of your entire capital used. So I think this is a really great strategy. Do try it out. Look at the theta, look at the Vega, and look at the delta. All are in favor of us. So this is one such strategy which balances the option Greeks in a really good manner, and I think this is really great. But as I say, just try it with one lots first and see if it works for you, and if you are satisfied, then only proceed with this. And yeah, I guess this is a great strategy, so do try it out and let me know if this works well for you or not. And I think this is it for this video. I hope you like the strategy and you are enjoying the content on this channel. Please share it with your friends and people who you think might benefit from this. And as always, subscribe for more such content and stay tuned for more. So I guess this is it for this video then. See you in the next one. Take care and bye bye.